All right, I just got this in the mail. I think it's a Ring doorbell. 2 of them. And I get a cord with them. So I can charge, oh, that's excellent. So we'll try this on our back door and see how it works. These are for Ring doorbells. But of course, I don't know, they may have a charge on them, but we'll see. We got 2 of them. Oh, that's nice. Get them out of the package. So this is what you get with it. And it's a regular USB style, like Android. Yeah. All right, let's try it out. All right, so I got to get it unhooked here so I can use it. These things always come in handy. You should save them. Use them for cords. All right, so here's our, it's very small. And I do believe that at the very top of it is your port where you put your charger. So I'm gonna slip it right in there. All right, now the thing is it doesn't come with a block. So you're gonna need a block, right? So I think I've got, I got an Apple block, which we'll use. So I'm just gonna plug it in there. Okay, so now we're ready to plug it into the wall. And we'll try it. Charge it up. Just put it right in there. And look, it's giving us an amber. So I think when that turns green, we'll be ready to go. And then we'll charge the other one too afterwards. And there's the information on it. And then we'll check it out and see if it works on our Ring doorbell. All right, so it says here that charging process, green light, red lights are on. It's completed charging when the green light is on and the red light is off. And they have some cautions. All right, so you guys can read that. You can see the red or orange light is still on, so we gotta wait for that thing to go off. And once it does, we're ready to go. All right, so this is my old Ring doorbell. You just pop it out and push this. And there's the old Ring battery. So we're gonna trade it out for that one I got in the mail. For now, I'll just trick them and put this back on here. And yeah, looks exactly the same as the ones we got. All right, we gotta clean up our mess here, but guess what? This one is charged and ready to go. Woohoo! All right, so we got a green light on this one. We can just go ahead and put her on here. Set it right in the garbage can for a second. To get this off, I reach under, I just pull it forward, and it just pops. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Grab this, slide her in on the bottom. See the hole? Just like that. I'm just gonna push it up. Bam. Grab my top, set it like this, and look, we're ready to go. Woohoo! How do you like those apples? All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.